Hey guys, welcome back to the Happy Family. I'm Rayon, and today we are getting a new car. Yeah, here's Haya. Okay, so here's the car we're getting. The external color is white. It's a Honda. It's all-wheel drive. So yeah. Now I will be showing you the interior. The interior is black.
We're at the Honda dealership, guys.
Yeah, we are at a Honda dealership, the main Honda dealer. So, yeah. Oh yeah, we are also getting one more car. It is this silver Honda Pilot. It's the exact same car but different cars. It's a Honda Pilot silver, and it's also I think this is a two-wheel drive because it doesn't say it on the back, but let's go check out the interior. Oh no, guys, it's locked! No! Our new car is locked! So we can't show you the interior because it's locked. Here, Doritos. Okay, let's go inside. My dad's inside signing paperwork.
Let's have some fun.
Yeah, let's have some fun and let's go check on him. We are inside. Here's my dad. He's waiting for the paperwork. Let's show you some Hondas. We have a Honda Odyssey. It's a crimson color. Let's show you inside. Cream and black colored interior. That's nice. There's another Honda car. It looks like a Ford. Silver. I don't like the silver color. Interior. Yeah, that's the shipper. Let's explore some more Hondas. Okay, there's a blue Honda there. Let's go check that one out. Here we got a Honda Civic. It's blue. And here's the interior. Black. It smells really good, guys. Yeah, it's a lot like the Ford. I'm gonna go explore more. Guys, look at that old school car. I think that's the first Honda. If that's the first Honda, comment down below. Need a blue car. What car is it? Oh no. The trunk's up. Okay. So far we're enjoying being at the Honda dealer. Here's another crimson. Oh, it's the Honda Hybrid. Oh no, it's the inside actually. It's a hybrid. It's a Honda inside. Cream. Okay. So it's not leather interior. That's gray. That's the color. Okay, there's no shifter here. I think this tells you that it's a high-class car. Okay, let's go check that white car there. Creamy-ish and black interior. It's a van, I can tell that. That's a van. My dad's filling out the paperwork. Okay guys, so we signed the deal. We got the car. And the deal was made $38,000. That's a lot of money. Okay, we are done. We bought the car. The car's ours. We made the payment. Right, Mom? We're making the payment.
We made the payment already.
Okay, we already made the payment. Come on, let's see it. Let's
Go see our
cars. New cars. Two brand new fresh cars. Yeah. Okay then. Here it is. Our new Honda Pilot number uno. The second one's somewhere there. I don't know where. Here's number one. That's our new Honda Pilot car number one. Right there. Here's our new car. Here's the shifter. Here's the dash. Bro, I'm happy. Car number two. We're walking over there. Car number two. It's a pearl one. So yeah. I love this car. But I'm a Toyota guy, so I still like it though. I still like it. It's not like I don't like it at all. Okay guys, that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell. And always remember, live, love, and bye. Hey guys, okay, here's a look at our brand new car. A silver and pearl white Honda Pilot. We came here to have pizza. We came to Pizza 101 to have some pizza for dinner. So yeah.